Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your POLY Voyager 360 using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that click the settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here we have this pencil icon. Sometimes it's located at the right top. So just click on it. And now write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and also this one and add something new like this one. After you finish, click rename. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!